right, everyone, welcome back to the channel. Thank you so much for stopping by. I appreciate it. So today, as you can tell by the title, I got some good news and I got some bad news. I wrote this down, so this shouldn't be butchered. All right, so let's just jump right in. Actually, first things first, I've made all these videos are going to be out of order. So I got this video and then another video, which I don't know when I'm going to release. And then I have another video, which is going to come after this video from today. So anyways, let's go ahead. First things first, let's go with the good news. I did get a new job and I'll explain all this at the end of the video. So first things first, I got a new job. It was super easy. It took 3 days and that was including not working on Friday, Monday, and Tuesday. I got the new job on Tuesday. So the first 2 days I wasn't really interested in working, but then so the second day I saw a job offer that I didn't want to pass up, or I was considering it, and then on the third day on Tuesday I decided to take it, and then I got it like in 20 minutes. They said it was mine. So anyways, I didn't want to pass up on this at first. I was a little bit weary, but I just realized I shouldn't pass up on it after I decided and thought about it for a day. So anyways, I'm back to work. Today was my first day. So I do have a today as an electrician video for you after this one. And then the next thing on the list of the good news is the video that I haven't released yet is going over what it's like to lose your job in the union. And I might need to add some more information to that. I'm not sure yet. But it was very easy to get the new job. And I'll go over that in the video, so stay tuned. And the last thing is I got the go-ahead from my new boss to take pictures and videos as long as it's not like a super secretive job site. Just like for my last company, which I didn't have any super secret jobs at my last job site, or at my last company. But so the good news is I have the okay to take pictures and videos and share those with you guys. But the bad news is, in no particular order, I'm not getting an unemployment unless I get like 3 days or half a week from last week. But I don't really care anymore because I have a new job. The bad news is I'm not taking I have no vacation now or time off or a break from work. Like I said, I've been working for like 2.5, 3 years straight. So hopefully this job doesn't burn me out, but anyways, I didn't want to pass up on it. And I'll explain that to you guys in a future video probably. And then lastly, the bad news is, my next job site will prohibit me from taking pictures and videos. It's going to be like I don't know, it's just stuff I can't, I guess they're like developing stuff at this company or something where if I take pictures or something, I could accidentally show something that I'm not supposed to. So it doesn't really have to do with my electrical work, but just like what they're developing at the place that I'll be working at. So no pictures and videos at the next job site. So I don't know what that means exactly for the channel or how soon I will be on that next job from my current job. So bear with me, and I will still try to make daily videos, but they just won't be from the job site for a while when I start on the new job. So hopefully that all makes sense. So that's the good news and that's the bad news. So back to work. The first day was really good, and I'll show you guys that video here as soon as I upload this one. So check back here. It might already be live by the time this first video gets out, but anyways, had a really great first day, super easy, not too sketchy, but everything went smooth. So yeah, stay tuned for the next video, for the daily video. I actually do a real voiceover, not a voiceover, but I actually talk on the job site. I hung out after work was over and I just walked you guys through what all I did for the day. So I think it turned out pretty good, and I haven't done one of those in like a really long time. So hopefully you guys enjoy that. That's all I got for you guys. Like I said, stay tuned. But as always, thank you so much for watching. I appreciate it. Don't forget to like and subscribe. It would help out the channel, and I'd love to see you guys back in the next video. As always, check the description for anything else like social medias and other video playlists. I have a whole bunch of apprentice playlists and other playlists down below with the URL link. So if you want to copy and paste that, or just go to my channel page and check out other playlists. Got a lot of helpful and neat stuff on there. And hit the notification bell to be notified when I upload or do live streams. Thanks, guys, so much. God bless. Have an awesome rest of your day. Peace out.